kids, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how to draw alphabets. Come and with me drawing step by step. A B C D E F G H I J and next K L M N O P Q R S T. Next one U V W X Y and last Z. If you like my video, so please subscribe to my channel. Bye.